Hi, this is Dubiss Forex Academy. My name is Chinedu. Welcome to our weekly analysis. Today is 8th of September 2025. I'm excited today, as always, to give us analysis, to share our thoughts, to let you know what has happened in the global financial market within last 1 week, within last 2 weeks, and then what we're expecting this week. You just need to like this video, give us your comments, share your thoughts in the comment section. Ensure you follow us on all our social media handles: Dubiss Forex Academy, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. You look for Chinedu Chikeze, Chinedu Dubiss on Telegram as well, Dubiss Forex Academy. All right. So let's start with XAU. You need to follow us on, subscribe to our free channel on Telegram. Search with the one that has Win Forex with Dubiss. Before the end of this video, I will share it for you to ensure you're following the right channel, you're subscribed to the right channel as well. Dubiss Forex Academy on Telegram. That's where we drop our free setups and free signals. Every day we give complimentary signals, and we have been granting results. So this month of September, guys, we have granted so much results. I'm very much excited. Last Friday was NFP, and we cashed out. Big time cash out. So look at the analysis we dropped since on gold. Over 1 month now, we have been buying gold. Even though once we see opportunity to short, as in to go short, to sell, short time, we do that, but we focus more on buy. Okay, so look at how many pips from when we started buying from this particular symmetrical triangle, around 3315. I remember the last time I dropped that video, I told you that we're going to be buying gold. And I told you that once it breaks out of this symmetrical triangle, that we go more for buy. And more especially when there's a closure above 3400, we go more for a buy. This is like 3,000 pips. Wow! This is amazing. 3,000 pips. When you do what we call top-down analysis from higher time frame, monthly time frame, weekly time frame, daily time frame, H4 down, and you enter the market, guys, we really cash out. We use both SMC, smart money concept, and then ICT concept, everything to give our analysis and give our clients setups, and then they make profits. So today we are bought good. We try to sell good and hit our SL on our paid group, and then we started buying good. So we've bought and made good profits. All right, so what I'm expecting now is a retracement. Any retracement, take it as an opportunity to buy. Gold is going to 3700 and probably to 4,000. I've been shouting this, saying it. I have a position that's running that I left open, that I want to leave it to 3700. That position has been running. I entered that position last week, Friday. I closed all the other old ones. So, but I have the one that I opened last week, Friday, that I will share with you guys. When gold get to 3700, I will make a video with that, my position, and drop it for you guys. So at the moment, if you see gold around 3595 or 3600, all right, then jump in for the trade. 3600, this 300, 3600. Okay, this is already 3600. Let me give you another one: 3595, 3595. When you see price within this zone, or 3590, then you can hop in. So you see on a 1 hour time frame, that's when you see it clearly, this zone, because price broke out of this structure to come back, most likely to retest this structure, right? From this point, you can jump in again for a buy. So within this zone is a key level to continue the bullish movement. All right, guys, I will leave it for you guys. So if we see price coming back here, giving you a price action, and then what do? You do what? You buy. We are buying gold to 37. We are buying gold towards 37, 3,700. So this analysis for gold. More movement upwards. Okay, so let's check Euro USD. Euro USD is still very much alive. I told you buy Euro USD. So look at from this point, price came back, it test this trend line. See, it's still going up. So our trend line is still working as analyzed. So price is still within this channel. So we are still trying to move to this key level liquidity zone for where we could see price drop massively. So from this point, we are still buying Euro USD. Then GBP same scenario. So this second option did not work. Remember last time we give you that as far as this zone is holding, price will go up. So we are going to remove this second option, which did not go. We can see if it's broken, and then you can short. If it's broken, you know that price will come to this liquidity zone from here. You see rise. So it's still working. Price will still be going up. We are targeting 38004 GPUSD. USD is still somehow ranging, but still going slowly towards that direction. I told you as far as price is within this zone, price go down. Then if here is broken, it will go back to this point and then go down. So let's put it that we go see price from this point get down more, and price is already doing what? Going down slowly. So that is for USD JPY. So most of these trades are still within the entry zone. The only one that has moved now, for example, is USD CHF. Remember, from this point, I told you we are selling, and look at where it is now. So it's very close to this liquidity zone. Look at it from here. Price is, let me, so price is, we are trying to see from where price is now, price coming down to now, mitigate this liquidity zone from there. We could now see price do what? Move up. So price has been respecting our analysis for USD CHF. So this is our analysis now. Price go down more to mitigate this zone. Of course, if here is broken, then we could and retested price will continue to move downwards. So look for opportunity to sell, don't buy. Here's the CHF, except this place is respected. This zone here, 0.78 70 area, stroke 80 area, 0.78. Look at by this side, you see the prices. So once here is holding, price go from there, fly up. Look at GBP AUD. Have given us full TP, full TP. Look at this, over 480. Yeah, about 500 pips, 500 pips. All right, so price is now back very close. Okay, just remaining small bets. You can't enter a sell at this point because price been moving. Look at where we started selling, and price is now very close to this structure, the bullish zone here. So what we now need to do is to wait here to see if there will be a price action here for a buy. All right. So since price is very close to our target, let's give you a new analysis. So if there is a good price action here, from here price will go up. Otherwise, if here is broken, then what you just expect is you will just see that price will just do what? Price will just, once here is broken, you will see something like this broken, then price will do what? Price will retest it like this. Once here is broken, price retest, and then we now see more price downward. First scenario is here, being respected, price move up. Second scenario, once it's broken, retested, will continue. There's no entry point currently for GBAUD, but it did well, 500 pips. AUD is still on its way. AUD is still on its way as analyzed. Look at where we started buying from this point, all right? And this place has been broken. So we'll see price go more upward from this point, all right? So this is the zone. For those of you that want to sell, wait for price to get to upper zone or even touch this trend line, okay? Before you do what? Before you short. So currently, price is expecting our analysis moving as analyzed. So congratulations to all those that followed us and then traded AUD USD. Congratulations once again. All right, let's go to AUD card. This is amazing. Look at my symmetrical triangle. Price has broken out of it last Friday, and you can see price going up. Remember, we started buying from this point, and I told you you can exit here, and then for you to continue to buy, you need to wait for price to break out of this structure, and price has broken out. Let's see how many pips. Let's measure. From here, and this is 150 something pips. So we could see price retesting here, and then continue. So for me, at the moment now, there's more movement upwards to get to this zone. All right, that is the direction. Price will continue to move at least get to this zone. Congratulations once again for CHFJPY. Remember, I told the price is bullish. Price we're trying to see price testing and is this zone before going. But I see it didn't retest. And that's why I didn't tell you to short CHFJPY. I just told you that perhaps is a price we try to get to this zone before it starts moving up. So currently look at what price is doing. So no entry point there. Euro AUD, perfect, moving as analyzed and so much pips. All right, taking in already. That's almost 280 pips move for Euro AUD. So we are still expecting price. So let me remove this, give you new analysis. We're expecting price to move down more, all right, to touch this zone. But you can see that price is slowly moving, trying to break out from this structure, from this zone. Once there's a breakout, then this is where we're anticipating price to get to. Then Euro GBP. Euro GBP is doing absolutely fine. Last time it was here, okay, this was last 2 weeks. I told you, but price move up more, come down at this zone, and from there, price is moving. Last week, go and watch our last week video. You see that I told you from this point that price will still buy, go, and price is already buying. Just that Euro GBP pips is not very much, it's low. All right, this is like 90 pips, less than 100 pips, all these movements. So that is it for GP, Euro GBP. Then Euro JPY. Euro JPY, I told you that I'm expecting price to move up to get to this liquidity zone. From there, we'll start to sell. That is around 170. Let me put the price uh, um, horizontal line for you to see the price. So you can see the price. This price now is around 175. So this is a key level, and this is high. All right, this is the high that was made around 15 July, around the month of July 2024. Month of July, we had this the last high from July last year 2024. So right now, we see price coming back to retest and then price fall. So this is what we're still waiting for GP for you Euro JPY. Then GBJPY still consolidating. I told you fear is broken price. We now go get to this zone and then fall, which is around 200. Can we see the price? The zone, all right, within this zone. Horizontal zone. Let's say around 206, between 206 207, right? So within 206, 206, 207. So 206. All right. So this is 206, around 206 to 207. That's what we're expecting. All right, price to get there, and then from there, price will fall. Let's put the price there so that you understand. 206. This is the area, right? Around 206, 207 for GBP. Then GBP card moved and there was a retracement. Price have gone back to retest here, this zone. So that was about 300 piece. Price went back. So those that follow that video, as you see price come back here, they're supposed to do what? Short again. So price came back to retest this high. Until this high is broken before we can see any movement, more movement upwards. At the moment, I'm still, my bias is still the same. Look at the last time we dropped it, it gets here. This one did not touch the liquidity zone. It got here and went back. So my bias is still what? Short GBP card. All right. That is it for this week. So we're expecting price to still move further down. Then Euro NZD. Guys, this for me is turning bearish right now. I'm seeing a setup for a sell on daily time frame. So once there's a close below this, then we could see price go down more. This is like failure swing strategy. So this was, I told you, price hit here, we buy. So those that bought, I know you must have put your SL to break even because it's over 170 pips. Now, price is back now to break the break even. Peradventure, you did not close your trade, you put your SL at break even. Price has broken it. So, it's more of a sell than a buy at the moment. So, let's watch out for a closure below this structure. Then there will be more room downwards. Finally, Euro AUD and Euro CAD are the ones remaining. And this is Euro AUD. Euro AUD is still playing out well. Let me drop the line for you to know that we are shorting Euro AUD and it has done very, very well. So let's see. This is the next key level. This is our sell we get to. How many pips have we made so far based on the sell? This is around 200 and something pips for Euro AUD. So awesome. Analysis is spot on. Then finally, Eurocard. Eurocard is Eurocard. Last time we made a video, we tell you the price most likely will get down more to get to the trend line, and it actually moved because this is where we are when we made the video, and it actually moved around 70 something pips. Price went back last week based on the NFP last Friday. This was Friday, and look at price going back to this zone. And from this point, I believe that EuroCAD is still on its way what down from this zone, at least to get to this point. So these are thought for all the pairs. Just follow. We just give you the direction. I'll make it simple. Keep it simple. All right. Because if we want to go the details, each one will stay here one more than 1 hour. So that's why we make it simple. Just follow the prices by the side and take action accordingly. Follow the direction of the market we are doing. You don't trade against the trend. Okay. Let me show you our channels. So these are social media handles, starting with YouTube. Look at the Dubiss Forex Academy. So this is the right um, handles for you to join, for you to subscribe to our channel. All right, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Dubiss Forex Academy. Then let me show you. This is TikTok, right? Sorry, no, this is Telegram. Let's go to TikTok. I want to show you TikTok first. This is TikTok, all right? This is TikTok. Dubiss Forex Academy. As you look at it, Dubiss Dubiss Forex Academy, all right? And then this is LinkedIn. So that you can see your Dubiss Forex Academy, and right? And then this is Facebook, Dubiss Forex Academy. Follow us. And then this is Instagram, Dubiss Forex Academy on Instagram. Guys, I made this Friday the video. I made it and I dropped it in all these places. You can see it. Those that are following us made good profit from all the videos. From the video, I dropped for them for free of charge. So follow us on all social media handles so I can make money watching only our videos. All right. And then this is Telegram. Join the right one. This is Telegram. This is our Telegram channel. You can see the profit we have made even from our pay group. All right. You can see the one we sent for our free group. Already 80 pips delivered here, plus the first 20 pips they made in the morning, making 100 pips. So thank you very much for watching. For register with our broker. We have two major brokers, FX Pro and FBS. So register with our broker, FBS or FX Pro, and then trade, learn with us, trade and make profit. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video. Cheers, guys. Bye, everyone.